How to remove your profile picture on Facebook. So all you have to do is to tap on Facebook application here, and basically you will be directed here to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your profile area, and to do that, on the bottom part you will see six different options there. Tap on the menu. For others, it's actually on the upper right. Tap on the three dash lines there and tap on see your profile. Now here, as you can see, I have actually removed my profile picture. Now let's just first create a profile picture here. For example, this one, I have now a profile picture. Tap on see profile picture here, and here is my profile picture. Now to be able to remove your profile picture on Facebook, you can actually, on the upper right, you will see three dots there. Tap on that and then tap on delete photo. Now if you delete your photo and post, are you sure you want to delete this photo? It will also be deleted. It will also delete the post, and tap on delete. Now here, just wait for it. And as you can see, you are now back to this regular profile picture on Facebook. And basically that is how you remove your profile picture on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.